So one fantastic thing that John Deere's come out with is the idea of being able to retrofit previous model sprayers. They're calling it precision upgrades. Today, we can go all the way back to a 4730 or 4830 sprayer in the 2008 era, all the way to current product, and be able to put this technology on any of those solutions in order to have that in-field benefit. First being ExactApply. ExactApply can be retrofitted back on a 2014 sprayer or newer. The easy way to think about it is if you have a green John Deere boom, you have the option of ExactApply. A newer precision ag upgrade kit is a lighting package. These new Deere sprayers out of the factory come with these high intensity LED lights all the way around the sprayer. Absolutely fantastic for night spraying. We can retrofit this back onto any R model sprayer, really upgrading those halogen lights, or even if you have LED light package, these are way more intense. You can get the laser on the ends of the sprayer so you understand where the tips of your sprayer booms are, as well as the ballast in the grills of these sprayers. Another good solution from John Deere. What is so renowned about any of the precision ag upgrade kits is it is truly a factory fit. What I mean by that is we won't have wires running through the cab. We're not going to have harnesses laying on the floor. We're not going to add a secondary monitor for any of these solutions. Great example of that is the lighting kit, and what makes it so valuable is we're adding several different lights and LED packages around the sprayer, but it's going to be incorporated into the original lighting solution that you've been used to for years. Same with ExactApply. It is just going to add those apps into the display monitor, and it will feel like it came out of the factory with that solution on it originally.